this hair. Oh my gosh, no way am I really feeling this like this, because honestly I've been so sick and tired of doing installs. I've been tired of closures and frontals, especially the frontals, because they're really high maintenance. And this has to be the greatest creation ever. The headband wig has to be one of the best things to ever come to life, because girl, this is an easy 1 2 3 go. Like, you don't gotta do nothing, just make sure your edges is laid. I mean, mine don't ever stay down, they always curl back up, but that's why you could carry edge control with you wherever you go, and a little edge brush with you wherever you go, so it's okay. And like, this is perfect. Like, I didn't have to spray this with water or anything at all. This is just right out the box, straight out the box, played with. Oh my gosh, and it's so big and curly too. And you could get away with doing different styles. Like, if you want to wear this up in one, you can. Alright, y'all can see that? Like, you can literally put this up in one. Like, if you do it the right way, you know, tighten it and really put it up in one. Okay, but I'm gonna leave it like this for now. And I have a big forehead, so like, but I mean, let me turn to the side and see what it looks like. What it look like in the camera, y'all. Yeah, it's still big. It's still big. But let me try on these other headbands. They sent me 3 headbands with this, so let's see. Ooh, this one kind of tight. Okay. Your headbands. If you want to pull it over to the side a little bit, you can do that too. You know, if you want to push this up a little like that, give it a little style, crisscross, applesauce, whatever's. Now this hair is a vibe, and I think the red lip just make it more of a vibe. Like, what? I'm about to say bye to wigs with frontals and closures for good. For real. We all know these headbands are like in season right now. So because I'm wearing gray, I'm gonna try this one on. Ooh, I feel like a princess. What? What you said about me? You can literally wear like any headband with this. Probably push this back some more, like to right there. And of course I would hide this part behind if I was gonna wear it like this, you know. Yeah, this hairstyle, this, yo, alright, bro. Like, this has got to be the quickest video I've ever filmed. This is really a 1 2 3 go. Like, this is better than glueless install. This is better than a frontal, a closure, like I said, a sewing, because, you know, sometimes you don't even want to wear your actual hair out, and you know, you want that extra volume or puff or whatever, and you know, this is perfect for that. Like, oh, so something good came out of this lace shortage, for real, because this is it. I'm about to go cop me at least 2 more different textures. All right guys, thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.